We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of KOLOTOOL, 81x 32.5 inches, folding motorcycle ramp with steps. Consists of the following features. Safe solo loading with integrated steps. Master the art of one-person loading. This 82-inch motorcycle loading ramp eliminates the danger of balancing on narrow rails. Featuring a dual-zone design, it provides a dedicated track for motorcycle loading and built-in walking steps for the operator. By allowing you to walk securely alongside your bike, it transforms a risky task into a safe, controlled solo loading experience. Heavy-duty combined capacity. Built for the toughest hauls, this heavy-duty truck ramp offers a massive split capacity, 900 pounds for the vehicle and 400 pounds for the person. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this aluminum ramp provides professional-grade stability for everything from motorcycles and dirt bikes to heavy e-bikes. All-weather anti-slip traction. Don't let rain or mud ruin your track day. Our folding motorcycle ramp is engineered with aggressive industrial-grade traction steps. These wide, slip-free steps ensure secure footing and maximum grip for your boots, making it the most reliable portable ramp for loading in any environment from home garages to muddy trails. 81 inches length for smooth incline. At 81 inches long and 32.5 inches wide, this trailer ramp provides a shallower incline, optimized for 24 to 35 inches heights, protecting your bike's underbody from bottoming out. The extra width offers the stability of a double ramp setup while remaining a lightweight, single-unit loading equipment solution for pickup trucks and utility trailers. Compact bifold storage and security. Designed for riders on the go, this bifold loading ramp collapses quickly for compact storage in your truck bed. It features a built-in carrying handle and includes 2 heavy-duty safety straps to prevent kickouts. Whether you need a dirt bike ramp for the weekend or a storage accessory for your shop, this secure system has you covered. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.